So cool.
I love that. You have a whole color palette of colors to change the interior lighting to.
Whoa!
It's stuff that I think is kind of fun.
Okay, we're buying it.
Yeah, exactly.
Hello guys! Happy weekend sa ating lahat. Ang ganda nito, pero hindi tayo bibili niyan syempre. So, ngayon, samahan nyo ako. Samahan nyo kami. Naghanap tayo ng kotse! Kala mo naman bibili. So, test drive lang. Mangarap tayo sabay-sabay. So, wait lang. Punta lang kami sa aming parking. And then, ang una namin pupuntahan ay try lang sa BMW. Sealer. Tapos pangalawa sa Honda. Tapos pangatlo sa Lexus. So alam nyo na, ayun, kailangan namin ng pangalawang kotse. Sasabihin ko na lang sa susunod na vlog kung bakit. So yun. You drive? Okay.
You can go in the front here if you want.
Sure, thanks.
Brake and then
Start button, the one on the right, yep. There we go.
Yeah.
Now our AC should be already on there for us. I had it kicking earlier.
okay.
Go away. There we go. We'll just go up to this road here and we'll take a left. All the way down at the end of the stop sign.
So we are driving the BMW X2, right?
So left here.
Yep.
So this is what, across.
So only as a new vehicle it's available for lease.
This is a nice performing car. Well,
they're
this
super
is
fun.
BMW, so I don't expect.
We're doing
less.
our job then.
Right.
You have a whole color palette of colors to change the interior lighting to.
Whoa!
It's stuff that I think is kind of fun.
Okay, we're buying it.
Yeah, exactly. And you can set it up for two different drivers. So if you guys end up sharing the car, you can have your own profile and you can have your own profile. We give you the car and unlock it. It'll turn to your colors. It'll go to your climate, your radio station, all that good stuff. So I'm going to jump out and kind of show you this head-up display real quick.
Okay.
So you're going to look out in your vision and you're just going to look probably for 0 mile per hour is what it's going to say right now. Let me turn this off real quick. So you're going to look kind of right out here. Do you see anything in the vision here? No. All right, so sometimes, do you see it now?
I saw door open.
Oh, yeah, and now look in the middle there, 0 mile per hour in white. Do you see that? I'm going to adjust, the height of it may not be correct for your seating position, so I'm going to adjust it a little bit. And then we'll switch spots so you can check this out too, because it's really cool.
Yeah.
I saw door open.
Yep, so that is the actual display, but I want to adjust it for you so maybe you can see it a little better. So maybe if I move it, do you see it now? Okay.
Yeah.
Now if you were driving the car, how high would you want that? Would you want it lower? Or is that kind of a good position for it? Now if I wanted to change the radio station, watch this. If you look up in there, here's your radio station.
You know what? It's kind of low. It's
It needs to be higher.
Yeah, it needs
Okay.
to be higher. Now I see it.
Okay, check this
Right
out
here.
now. How about now? Better?
More. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, perfect.
Oh my god.
So yeah, your radio station's here.
Whoa.
Now once your phone is paired, if you push the phone button first and then scroll, it pulls up your recent call log. You can call directly from there.
Wow.
And then I'll show you one cool thing with the nav. If you're using the navigation for directions,
Where is it showing from though?
it's reflecting from the windshield, but it looks like it's floating on you. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so here's your radio station. Check that out up there.
Okay.
I could scroll through and change. So that would look the same once you push the phone button. It's the projector right in front of you there.
Yeah. Oh, from here?
Yep.
Nice.
And then oh, is the nav still up there? Just the turnout or anything? Oh yeah, that turnout is floating up in there. So again, you can adjust depending on what you like and your preference. You can adjust height and brightness of that. So I'll go to my vehicle. I'll turn the brightness up all the way real quick so you can really see it. The idea is though, it's supposed to be there visible but not distracting. So here's the absolute top brightness there. You see that now?
Yep.
And then here's if you want to adjust the height at all.
Uh-huh.
Kind of it gives you that little box to show where all your features would display there.
This is so cool.
I love that. And not only is it futuristic and cool, it makes it safer.
Yeah.
Because doing that distracted stuff, you're looking right at the road. Yep.
Right,
You're not looking down here, so if something happens, you react immediately and you know.
But can you see that in like broad daylight?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
Yep.
like the sun is shining real.
Yep, because it'll actually, and that's one of the reasons you can adjust the brightness of it. So, and then at nighttime, it dims a little bit and it goes orange, so it's not too bright and distracting at nighttime as well. So it's really a smart feature.
Wow.
Yeah, I love it. It's
Enter corner. Sa corner. So, andito tayo ngayon sa pangalawa. Honda naman tayo ngayon. Tingnan natin yung Civic. Baka nakalabas na. Tingnan mo na po.
Parang taas
Yung
manibela. Yung parang pang sports car na parang nasa taas yung manibela.
ganda.
Nakaka-appreciate na tuloy ako ng mag-see.
That's like the lowest numbers we've ever seen.
Dito kami ngayon sa Honda. Test drive namin. Hindi ko alam kung ite-test drive pa, pero ayun, wait lang.
Be a few more minutes because we have someone who handles all the keys.
Okay.
And he stepped out for a few minutes. So
Sure.
we can just wait here. And then as soon as he's back, I'll grab the key and we'll take it out.
Cool.
So how does financing go wrong?
So ito yung test drive namin. Nantay lang namin yung susi. Grabe, ang daming kotse. Yung mga, ano ba to? Accord. So dito tayo sa Civic. Gusto ko tong hatchback. Ang ganda eh. Grabe, ang daming sasakyan. Ha? Bakit?
One eternity later.
So, uwi na kami. Hindi na kami pumunta sa sa Lexus. Ang layo eh. Tsaka may nanalo na. Joke. Joke lang. Kala ko mauuwi ko na yung yung BM eh. O yung Civic eh, kaso iyak muna tayo guys. Nag-test drive lang. So, dito na tayo sa aming munting building, apartment. Salamat sa panonood. So please subscribe to this channel and I will see you on my next video. And by the way, follow me in my socials. Yay!